How to fix DLL files missing in Windows? Step 1. Restart your device. Step 2. Find out which DLL is missing. Step 3. Run system file checker. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrative. And type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter. It's scanning right now. Wait for some time. Once scanning complete after, it start verifying. It's nothing but it's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. The next command dism space slash online space slash cleanup hyphen image space slash restore health. Type it and click enter and wait for some times. Wait it until it reaches 100%. Once it's reaching after, then you move on with next step. Install Microsoft Visual C++. Go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. Depends on the device, you can download and install it. And the next step, install DirectX Runtime. For this, go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Once downloading and installing after, you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Search for settings. Click privacy and security settings. Click Windows security. Click virus and threat protection. Scroll down. Click quick scan and wait for some times. It successfully scanned. No error were found. After that, close it and one more time restart your device. Thank you.